Hello, housewives. Welcome to a day with me as I cook. Cooking in the kitchen with your favorite housewife. Yeah. Hey, yo. Welcome. Today I'm on YouTube. I don't think I've ever actually made a personal blog and I wasn't traveling. And this year I'm going to be vlogging a lot more about my life and just be more personal, because I feel like when I was trying to do YouTube or whatever, I was really focused on selling a product. Come buy my products, okay? We're gonna do a little bit of both. Just not so in your face with it, and just be a little bit more personable, share a little bit more, not too much, but a little something, So today I'm in my kitchen and I'm about to cook. Grease, really? My sister dog is here and he just likes to cry. Cry. Why she leave that baby here? Okay, so anyways, I look hella light. Is it the light? I don't know. Okay, it could be a winner. So I like to listen to music while I'm cooking. That's my biggest thing. I love to listen to music, but I like to listen to, excuse me, sir, you're interrupting. I like to listen to old school music. I'm old school, old soul type of music, type of vibe, type of girl. That's just my vibe, especially when you cooking. It's giving the food is going to taste like your grandma made it, and you make sure, a good grandma, because everybody's grandma don't know how to cook, but my grandmas know how to cook. So, music. I also like to keep recipes. Oh my God, he really hating on me. Anyways, girl, hello. I just checked my cookbook, girl. It was not lasagna. It was ravioli. We went and bought all them raviolis and layered it. Because I was writing my recipes down back then. So we had bought them prepackaged raviolis. I think we was getting them from Target or something. I can't even remember where we was getting them from. But that's what I used. And then I layered it with the meat sauce and the white sauce. That's what I was doing. So I don't have enough raviolis to do that. So do you feel like going to Trader Joe's?
I'm not going back home. I got you when you cooking. Yeah.
Why would you think that? We talked about it.
Because...
Yeah. Well, I don't know. So I definitely don't feel like going back to the store. I really wish I would have known this beforehand, but my cookbook is in my iPad, so I wouldn't have known until I opened it up. So I can try to make it with the lasagna. I would not really like to. I don't know why, but I just don't like lasagna. Not that I don't like it. I love it. I don't like the concept of it. I don't know. Maybe it's the layering. I don't know. It's weird. I don't even want to say that out loud because I don't even know why I'm trying to get my thoughts out. But I can try to do the lasagna version. I was just thinking it would be missing more of an inside, because remember the raviolis had stuff on the inside. That's the only difference. So yeah. That's why you write down recipes and stuff, because I forgot. So originally when I made this, I wasn't vegan. So I'm about to tweak the recipe, obviously, because at the time I wasn't vegan. I was eating meat and I was eating cheese. So we're going to be doing 1 pack of supplementing our meat as the Trader Joe's meat, and then possibly some Impossible meat if it gets here in time. I got my sister running to the stove for us, and yeah, do we have Wait, I thought I just bought some meat, y'all. I know I got some meat. I just bought some meat. I always keep the Trader Joe's vegan meat. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Let me think. The fridge ain't even that deep to be figuring it out like that, though. Like that's what's okay. Maybe it's in the freezer. Ah, where is the meat? I feel like I work at Arby's. Don't that's what they be saying? Yeah, I found the meat. So this is the meat that we are using. It's called Beef Bliss ground beef. It's from Trader Joe's, and then we might combine it with a meat from, Impossible. Okay, so let's get everything out. What is our? Sorry about my refrigerator. She just is impatient. Like, I like to take my time, sweetheart. Okay, so back to what's in here. So you need 1 pack of ravioli. We are going to be using this vegan ravioli from Trader Joe's. It's vegan spinach cashew. Boom. So we got our meat, and then we need 1 jar of pasta sauce. The pasta sauce that I've been liking so far is the Rao, whatever his name is, him. And then we need some bell peppers. We need an onion. I don't have no fresh basil. Ooh, okay. Let's keep it going. Okay, let's get our bell peppers together, because these is about to go out the window anyways. Perfect timing to get them out. Yeah, literally. Get those bell peppers together. And then what else I need out of here? Oh, heavy cream. So this is also some vegan heavy cream. This is the Country Crock brand, but I normally get the brand from Trader Joe's. And then Parmesan mozzarella. Parmesan mozzarella. Okay, cool. Parmesan. Oh, you gotta put on that Parmesan. Oh my god, yeah, I think I'm out of Parmesan. Wait, I thought I bought some more Parmesan. I'm not out of mozzarella. I got this Follow Your Heart mozzarella, and then I also have the Mayoko mozzarella. Weird. That was kind of scary. I'm in the kitchen, and the door just blew open, and I'm at the house by myself. Hey now, hey. Okay, back to where we at. Okay, we don't got no Parmesan. OMG, we only got a little bit of Parmesan left. This is also from Trader Joe's, so my sister gotta get some Parmesan. And we got the mozzarella, and that's all we need. Yeah, that's all we need for right now. Damn, I wish and you know what's crazy? I meant to get me some Parmesan from Follow Your Heart the other day, and I didn't. And now I'm looking crazy. Yeah. Wash them fingernails. So I like to set the mood, you know, by playing some good ass music. So that's actually where we're gonna start. I got to have my music playing. Got to. Okay. Chopping up these bell peppers. I just cleaned them off. You're supposed to use colorful bell peppers. Tweak the recipe a little bit if you need to. I be liking to follow instructions and then figure out what I don't like and what I do like. So that's just my vibe. This is how I cut my bell peppers. I cut the top off first. I don't know who taught me that. Boom. And then sometimes I'll pull this part out. It just depends on how I'm feeling. If it's soft enough, or sometimes I just cut it around like this, so I don't get those seeds everywhere. It just depends. Boom. Let me just read the cookbook, y'all. Like, why am I not reading the cookbook? Okay. And that's the thing. I wrote the ingredients and not the instructions. Turn it on. I'm gonna start off with our meat. So we're just gonna oil up the pan a little bit. And those are pink. Wait, I need to get back in the frame so you can see it. Okay, good. Alright, so we got some bell peppers. I don't remember the steps, y'all. I don't know, at the time when I was going on, I was probably a little delayed, but for some reason, I didn't make the steps. I just made the ingredients on my cookbook that I be writing down. So we're just gonna have to wing it, and I haven't made this in probably like over a year. Probably 2023 is 2025. So I need to get it together. Okay. So vegetables first. I'm gonna cook those, and then we're gonna add in our beefless ground in a second once that's get the cooking a little bit. Add this vegan meat in. Okay, it goes. Right? It doesn't seem like it's a lot, but it actually yields a good amount. But I'm actually going to add another meat in here just to make it a little different. I have this Impossible sausage meat that is Italian sausage. That's what they look like. Yeah, I'm gonna add these in there. They smell really good. We on to the seasonings. So I'm putting in some garlic seasoning, some onion powder, some paprika, and then I have this new seasoning that I'm trying now. This is from Trader Joe. I mean, not Trader Joe. This is from Whole Foods. It's called Spike Veggie Seasoning. So I guess it's like a table blend type thing. So we just adding a little bit of it in there to give it a little flavor. Keep in mind, we already have like some Italian sausage in there, so that kind of gives it flavor. But the Trader Joe's brand, for whatever reason, they was scared to put the seasoning in that meat. So you do have to season that really good. But if you have like Impossible meat, then you're pretty good. We got the meat pretty much done. We're gonna add in this what's it called? Ravioli pasta sauce in there. It looks so good and it smells great. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more Italian seasoning in here. That's just my vibe. I'm always down for more flavor. I'm just adding in some tomato sauce that's in a can. So give just a little bit more flavor, just a little bit. And even it out. Just a little bit. So this is where we are. We are on the meat sauce. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, it smells good. It's perfect, like already. So we're on the meat sauce. Now I'm about to head and start making our vegan heavy cream. If I remember correctly, you need 3 cups of heavy cream. Okay, because this is vegan heavy cream, you do have to season it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of onion powder in there. And I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic, of course. Everything white, essentially. And then we're gonna do some white pepper in there. And then I'm also gonna add some vegetable bouillon. This girl. And then one more thing. A tiny amount of cumin. Because you know, if you know, cumin is very strong. So you just need a little tiny amount. We got that, and then we're gonna do 1 cup of Parmesan. And, well, it says half a cup of Parmesan and 1 cup of mozzarella. So we're gonna keep it simple. And use the same cup. Measuring cup that we used for the last one. So that's about a half a cup. And sprinkle it into our mixture. Alright, y'all, so now I'm on to the mozzarella. We're doing 1 cup of the mozzarella again. This is the Follow Your Heart brand. So I'm cooking this cheese on low right now, but I actually am about to turn it up because if you know, vegan cheese be hard to melt. But usually if you have like a heavy cream or any type of cream in first, it'll help speed up the process. So I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit on medium low. Yeah, let's do medium low, so we can get that to start cooking. We're waiting for these noodles to boil a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start layering with the meat sauce. So I'm starting off with just like a small layer of meat sauce just for the bottom, and then I'm gonna just work my way up and keep leveling up. All right, so we're about to just add in the noodles for the second layer. I straight don't even remember this process. I'm literally just winging it, like no cap. Spread that all over the raviolis and keep going. So for the last layer, we are just gonna add some mozzarella for the top and put her in the oven for a little bit. Super excited about this. Like, this is gonna be amazing. We don't have that much mozzarella. Oh shit, I literally used up all the mozzarella, y'all. Oh, my bad. That's all we got. It's not gonna be as pretty now on the top layer. Freak. Okay, well, as long as it's tasty, that's what counts, right? So this baby is going in the oven. Look, perfect timing. Hey now. All right. I'm putting it in the oven for about 15 minutes and then we ready to eat. Ain't nobody told me I had a stain on my shirt. Y'all so disrespectful. Okay, anyways. So, time to take this baby out the oven. I'm excited. Okay. Woo. There she is. Hello. Welcome to the family. Can y'all see her? She's beautiful, right? I know. All I'm gonna do to just add a little razzle dazzle, I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper on top. That's just me. I like black pepper. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika just for the top layer. I'm so black. Yeah, paprika for the top layer. And then some garnish. Some parsley. It's cool. Some parsley. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I like chives, so I don't know if I want to put the chives on here. Two. Just put a couple. I don't know, yeah. I love chives, but that's just me. Okay. All done. Fin. This is my vegan ravioli lasagna. Yeah.